Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a custom logo to your WordPress site. Having a logo on your website can help your visitors easily recognize your brand and create a professional look for your website. So let's get started. Before we add the logo to our WordPress website, we need to make sure that we have the logo file saved on our computer. It's best to use PNG images or the images that has a transparent background, so it will blend well with the site's design. Once you already prepared your image, go to your WordPress dashboard and then go to the customizer. So go to the appearance section and then click customize. In the customizer, let's select site identity. This will now bring options for your site's title, tagline, and of course, the logo. So under the logo option, click on the select logo to upload your logo file. Now you can either select a file from your media library or upload a new one. In my case, I already uploaded the logo for my website. So I'm going to click in here and then click select. Now once you have selected your logo, it should appear in the preview pane. So the next step is for us to crop our logo or the image. So we could adjust the width and the height of our logo, such as this one. And then once done, we're now ready to crop the image like so. And then finally, we're going to hit publish. Now your custom logo should now appear on your WordPress site. So let's test this one. So that's it. Adding a custom logo to your WordPress site is a simple process that can help your site look more professional and create brand recognition. Thank you for watching.